I'm laughing at my own bloopers. Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to Studio 205. This is my fluid art channel. I'm gonna try and make something pretty. We'll see how it goes. I got my Tada shirt on. Look at it. It's a hot mess. It's my painting shirt. Had a couple of fails. Gonna go again. Trying to do a bigger one with the same color palette that I introduced in the last video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's paint. Hey guys. So last video we did the color testing. Seemed like everyone liked that color palette on those 3 8x8s. So I just doubled the size. And this is a 16-inch cradled wood square. Put down my PPG Multi-Pro. My rule of thumb, by the way, is I'm going to pull out the puddle about 2 inches from the sides once it stops moving. Sometimes a little more because I know I got to get to the edges, and I want a nice fluffy pillow in the middle there to blow the paint around. I do give it a little spin. Whoa, without it going over. Stay there. Go the other way. And let's get started with our colors. So, just like in the last video, we're going to start with the quinacridone Nikola Gold. Oh, you want to pour out? Okay. There's a bunch of that. And then we're going to add got white all over my gloves already. Some golden iridescent bright gold. And then I thought about changing up the order. Maybe I'll leave it alone. This is Holcroft, which is an Australian brand. This is called something Prince. Purple Prince, Princely Prince. I can't remember off the top of my head. It'll come to me. But it's basically purple. And the thing with this paint is a lot of you asked, where did I get it? And it was a gift from Australia. And unfortunately, the Holcroft paint people do not export their paints to the US. So you can't get it here. So find yourself an Australian friend and have them send you some. So this is this little piggy. That's Enchantment. And then, you know what I did? I forgot. No, I didn't. I did it right. A little bit of Waterfall. Something like that. The other Holcroft color. This is Pool Party. Been using this a lot lately. And then for Cell Activator, I'm doing my blue violet, so dark purple. It has a little bit of Blix Payne's gray mixed in, so it's a little darker. I like it because it's softer looking than the black, although I do like black for drama for sure. All right, let's blow this out. Cool air high fan. All right, I'm not going to let that middle set up too much because I thought it'd be fun to deconstruct on the square and do a bloom on an 18 by 24 instead of the other way around. And I can't remember the last time I deconstructed on a square. So let's do that. And we're just going to see what we can get with this one big single bloom. So I'm going to kind of smush the middle a little bit. Loosen it up. Oh, I think I want to come off that one corner. I'm just going to go for it right there. And have that other side. It's like spreading out nicely all the way across. Go ahead. This one is more about the colors blending than anything. It's not about the cells on this guy for sure. Let's leave it like that and give it a spin and see if we can get to our other two corners. It might be too straight up and down. We'll see. Well, still not at the one corner. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. That it fanned out at the top and it's too vertical this way. Probably wasn't a good idea to spin because now I don't have enough paint, or it's just slower going. Okay, we put a big bend right there. I don't know if it needs it on both sides, but that's where the weight of the paint is all over there. I'm going to spin a little off and then tilt it back upward, up there. I'm afraid to point. I didn't want to lose all that stuff right there. That mottled blue I really liked. That's better. That's kind of pretty, y'all. I gotta tell you, it's late night pouring, and I came over to Studio 205 around 8 o'clock. It's 11 at night, and the hubby knows that I want to get a couple videos filmed for when I'm gone in Santa Fe. And in the last 2.5 hours, I had so many fails that I ended up starting all over, like mixing my colors from scratch all over again. I love this. I think it's super pretty. I like all the color blending. I don't think it needs all the cells everywhere. It's probably not as deconstructed. It's not, period. Who am I kidding? I do want to take a skewer or something to one little part of it. But right now I'm going to take off, when I was done, leave the gloves on. I'm going to move it up to my table and we'll operate for a minute, but I think I like it just the way it is. I like it in its simplicity. So yeah, oh, it's really dark shadow, huh? Is that better? Yeah, it's super pretty. Let me get you down, or up, I mean. I can't talk tonight. I think I have about 90%, 98% of it in frame. And the only thing I think I want to do is, let me come over to the other side of it, is take this little purple and take it off, because I don't like, I like the dark spot with the gold mixed with the cunei. That's pretty. I don't know. Like it has like this hard stop right here. And I think it would be better if it just kind of went like that. Just, I mean, wow, that makes such a big difference. Looking around at anything else. There's a little white cell right here that's bugging me. And otherwise, yeah, ta-da, this is super pretty. Don't we all say that though? It's fluid art. If you're watching this, you probably love fluid art and you think everything's, well, not everything's pretty, but you know what I mean. I'm not making any sense. It's late. Can you tell? Just taking paint off the bottom. And let me pop the camera off and get you down for the color blending, because that's kind of amazing. All right, here's a close-up of the wet results. If I don't get to the dry results before I leave for Santa Fe, I'll show it to you when I get back. Let me just come in here. So there's the dead center, or the remnants, from me swirling it around. Just gave it a little more movement, which I like. Super pretty. And then this stuff up here. So pretty. The enchantment with the princely purple. That's the name of that whole craft color. I knew I would come up with it. They look really great together. Those cells right there, super adorable. I love this little part here where it looks like it's underwater. I wish I could do a whole painting like that. But yeah, there it is. Let me know what you think. And yeah, let me flip around. Hey guys, it's Karen. I'm back with the dry results of this one. I turned out my lights in my studio and just put on my flash. I don't really feel like I need the flash. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the flash off. Hold on. There, that's better, right? So I think this one is just amazing. Like this is one of the ones where I'm like, I can't believe I made that. That's how I feel about this one. The tilting that added the movement, so it looks like it's fanning out, is super pretty. So the middle of it, it dried pretty much as is. Like I just love how it's going different directions. And by the way, that is waterfall mixing with the pool party color. And it's just glowing, just totally glowing. And then over here, that's the enchantment pigment mixing with the waterfall. Like it's really, really pretty. Oh, this up here too. Oh my goodness. Let me come back. Yeah, this is on wood, so it will get resined. It just calls for it. It's on a really nice cradled wood panel, so it will get resined and framed and go up on my website for sale after I get back from the Fluid Art Boutique. Can I just show you one other thing, just because it makes me smile? But like, if you consider this like a big flower, there's like a bee. It's not colored in, but like right there, you see the little bee? It just, every time I see it, I want to giggle, because it's so adorable. And you can't plan that stuff, right? You just, that's, I don't know. That part's awesome. Anyway, I'm going on and on. Let me flip around and say goodbye. Hey guys, it's Karen. Obviously, I'm home. I was sitting here editing videos to, you know, load up on YouTube for when I'm gone, and realized I didn't film a goodbye for this one. So here's my face. Bye. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments section. Please click on the title of the video to get to the description section, because that's where all the good stuff is, really. And until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Peace out.